Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites and selecting the course format that fits your schedule. Sign up now, create an account, confirm your email, and enable two-step verification for security. Enter billing details or apply a scholarship code if available. This speeds enrollment and avoids holdups. Once done, bookmark the syllabus and note start dates. This is essential because early access materials often unlock before live sessions, and you want to build momentum from day one. You proceed by selecting the exact session or cohort and immediately syncing it to your calendar. Make sure the time zone matches to avoid missed classes. Fill out your learner profile so instructors can tailor feedback and you get recommended resources. Install any required tools, DNS lab simulators, terminal/SSH clients, or browser extensions, so you can follow hands-on labs. Once these are set, test access to the course platform so technical barriers don't slow your learning later. You finish by attending the intro session and posting a short introduction in the class forum to build connections. Start Module 1 immediately. Focus on DNS fundamentals, zone files, and common record types so later labs make sense. Set up a weekly study block and save support contacts for quick help. If you encounter access errors or broken lab instances, first clear cache, try an alternate browser, and message support with a screenshot. This typically resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.